Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up an autoresponder into your TutaMail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to set up an autoresponder into your TutaMail, you just simply have to open your TutaMail on your device. Now, after opening the TutaMail on your device, just simply select the setting option from the bottom left corner. After coming into settings, you will get so many settings in here. You just simply have to select your email setting in here. And after scrolling a bit, you will get to see this autoresponder option in here. You just simply have to click on this pen icon for autoresponder in order to set up the autoresponder. Now, after coming into here, you will get so many options to customize. Now you can select the status from here. First of all, you have to enable the autoresponder by clicking on this button and select it to activate it. Now, your autoresponder is active. And now, after doing all this, just simply click on this save button, and your autoresponder into TutaMail will be saved. But it will require a premium account of TutaMail. By following these very easy steps, you can easily set up your autoresponder into your TutaMail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.